In this video, I will discuss a few tips and tricks that McGraw-Hill likes to play on Canvas. So first off, let's look at some tricks that McGraw-Hill likes to play. When we make assignments in McGraw-Hill, like I'm going to go show you when I go to my Connect section and I have an assignment over here, one of the tricks McGraw-Hill likes to play is it likes to not deploy your assignments. So because we need to see an assignment deployed over to Canvas. And so this symbol needs to be here to be available and show up on Canvas so that students know to do the homework assignment. So it's always good to make sure you see that symbol next to every single assignment. If it's not there, you click on that assignment in the checkbox next to it, and then you click deploy right there if it is not currently deployed. And that will make it actually deploy to Canvas. Now, the other trick that McGraw-Hill likes to play is when it deploys to Canvas, it deploys to a specific group in your assignments area. And so let me go over back to Canvas, okay, and we're going to go to assignments. And in assignments, I have that pulled up in another tab here. The McGraw-Hill assignments always go and drop themselves into the top assignment category in assignments. So make sure that this top category is always all of your McGraw-Hill assignments if you grade using weighted groups, okay? So always make sure that your homework assignments or whatever type of McGraw-Hill assignments are always up top, so whenever you make a new assignment, it drops into here. So let me just show you how that works. Let me just make a fake assignment and show you how it will automatically show up there. And let me scroll down, make a chapter 8 one really quick. Sure, let's add all 33 of those questions into our assignment. And then set all the point values to be like 25, because that's what I make all mine. I would never do this as a real assignment. And then we hit continue. And chapter 8 homework on McGraw-Hill. And we'll set its due date to be the Friday after next. No, we don't need any proctoring. Say review and assign. Notice here at the bottom, it says we're automatically already deploying this assignment. And so when I assign, it'll now show me as deployed to Canvas, which is good. And when I go over to my assignments area, let me reload this page by clicking over here to reload. Notice that it jumps in right there, right below. Okay. Those are the most common tricks that McGraw-Hill likes to play on Canvas and the spots that I have the most difficulty with. Hope that helps.